So we need to unbox this. This is sewing machine, the electric sewing machine. This butterfly sewing machine. Wow, this is lovely. Wow, I guess this is the muscle. Yes. This is when you keep on the floor, you plug it. Okay. This is much of the machine. Wow. This is the manual. Wow. So with this manual, you can be able to operate this machine. This is so lovely. Wow. This is a spool pin. Wow. This is the binding, the bobbin winding spindle. This is the bobbin winding stopper. This is where you put your bobbin. You put your bobbin here, then you lock it here. Okay, that's if you want to operate it. You will put it there. Right here is this the pattern selector die. This is the hand wheel. As you can see, this is the hand wheel. This is the reverse stitch. Okay, as you can see, this is the reverse stitch. So right here you have the on and on switch is here. The on and on switch. This is the handle. So yeah, this is the take-up lever is right there. This is the bobbin winder thread guide. So right here, so I'm going to turn it this way so you will see it. Well, this is the bobbin cover. This is where the bobbin is. The bobbin is right inside here. This is the bobbin right inside this is the bobbin case. Why inside here is the bobbin house, the bobbin engine. Okay, here so this right here, this is the feed dog. Okay, this is the needle, this is the presser foot. can see it. This is the presser foot. This is the needle. Okay, this is the needle. This is the needle clamp and screw. That's it here. Okay, so this is the needle plate. This here is the needle plate, right? This is the needle plate. The needle plate. This is the presser foot. As you can see it. You can see it. So that is all for that. I think this is the cover. Yes, this is the cover. In case you are done with your sewing, you can go ahead to cover it this way. This is the handle. Okay, you go ahead to cover it this way. This is lovely. And I'm going to teach us how to use it a little bit. Let's see what is inside here. Oh, I think, we have some accessories here. The bobbin, we have extra bobbin. With 3. This is the needle. Wow. I think this is the brush for it. This is the oil to oil it. I think this is the screw for it. This for the button. You want to fix your button. This is the presser foot button. They have so many things here. Wow, it's lovely. So that's all for that. So we'll go ahead to fix it back, putting them back.